Hello, here's your express summary of AI agent infrastructure, autonomy, and crypto. We're moving far beyond simple trading bots into a world where artificial intelligence becomes a totally independent financial entity. First, the autonomy agent is not just a social media scanner. It's a program with its own logic, its own crypto wallet, and its own private keys, capable of conducting transactions without human intervention. So we're left wondering how a simple computer program can literally own its own pocket money? Well, to hold this money, AI hits a wall in the traditional world. Secondly, that's why blockchain acts as an operating system, making crypto absolutely mandatory here. You know, an AI doesn't have an ID to open a traditional bank account, but it can generate a wallet on a blockchain in a fraction of a second. But now that these AIs have wallets and crypto, how exactly do they spend this money? Finally, we enter the machine-to-machine economy, the famous agentic finance. These AIs don't buy things for pleasure. They buy resources from each other, like storage space or computing power. It's still fascinating to see machines paying each other, using programmable microtransactions worth microfractions of a cent. The big challenge for developers today is to build this secure infrastructure where machines will trade autonomously. Goodbye, and thank you for listening.